Hi everyone, in this video we will understand a project that is called a movie search project, movie search, and in this project we will using a API, right? And so basically when you are searching for any movie, let's suppose I click on Marvel, then I will get all the movie related to Marvel, and when I'm clicking on any of the page, let's suppose any of the movie, then I will get the detail of that movie, right? So, and when I'm clicking back to movie search, then I'm getting back to the original page, like home page. And in this video, I will explain you the overall view that nobody teaches you. And I, one thing for sure that you will understand each and everything. And I will not be writing the code. I will be explaining the code so that you can understand. Basically, nobody explain the code. They just write the code, and you will not get the feeling of it. I will explain this code in a way that you can build a project. Most of the website follow the same kind of uh, implementation, same kind of structure. So that's why the overview of this is really important. So see, so basically you see this is our movie search, right? And in with the movie search you are having this page, and this page containing two things. The one thing is search and then the movie list, right? So the structure will be like this. So you will be having, so basically our app one minute, our app component used for setting the routes. Now this whole page this whole page we considered it as root page. This is our um, yeah, this is our root page. This will be considered as our root page, and you see that in that root page you are having two things. This is called this page we will consider it this page. This whole page we will consider it as home page, and in that home page you are having two things. The the first thing you are having a search button, and then you are having a list of movies list. So this will be like this. The home page contain the first thing is search form and then movie list. Now when I'm clicking on any of the movie, then I am getting a single page of the movie displaying the detail of that movie, this page, right? But you can see one more thing, that the movie search button is not vanishing out whenever you are clicking on. Let's suppose uh, I click back and see still the movie search button is still there. See, this button is still there, this button, right? So it means there is a nesting. First of all, the one minute. Yeah. There is one home page that I told you, this one, and then there is a single movie display, right? So whenever you are clicking on it, so you will be getting this, and this the content of root is not vanishing out in both the pages. So that's why we have to do a nested routing with root, and then you are having search button, then you are having list of movies, and every movie having the same card. So the movie list should have a same movie card. Now to make it clear, I have drawn it previously. Now look at this. See, now this is our app. Yeah, this is our app component used for setting the routes, and then you are having this. Then you are having this. One moment, to change the color. Yeah, yeah. You are having this route, right? And we have to do a nesting with it. We have to do a nesting of what? The home page and the single movie display. And this is our home page, right? And in that home page there are two things: the search form and then the movie list. And then the movie list will contain the movie list of movies, and each movie list have the same card. So we will call it as movie card, right? Now, whenever you are clicking on any of the card, then you will see a single movie display. This will be a single movie display, and again this will. And if you wanted to go to the home page, then you will click on this movie search. So this is how the overview of our project. Now I will be explaining the code. Before that, this is important thing, that is most of the website here have the same functionality. When you click, when you are on, let's suppose, yeah, let's suppose I am at Ama- Amazon, see, Amazon dot Amazon.com, yeah, Amazon India. See, every page has the same thing. When I'm clicking on it, then you can see if I click on this, it is taking. Yeah, when I'm clicking on it, see, uh, when I clicked on, let's suppose I clicked on best seller thing, then see, when I clicked on the best seller thing, then this page is coming over this page. So this detail is not vanishing out. It means there is a nested routing was done with this Amazon. So when you are clicking on Amazon again, you are getting back to the home page, and you clicked on at any of the object, then this thing is still there. So that is how our project is also working. So I am telling you that most of the thing use the same kind of thing, that is this one, right? I hope you got it. Now it's time to look at the code. So as I told you, see, first of all, we will be having our app component, and yeah, in that app component, uh, we have set it the route. So for that only we are having this uh, create browser router, and this will set our routes. And you see in the app you are having this route, right? Now there is a, see, there is a nested routing of two things. The first thing is home, and the second thing is single movie display. So you are having root, and then inside that you are having two things: home and single movie display. And see, the route for root is slash. It is just like that. HTTP slash localhost. And when you are at the home page, sorry, when you are at the this least route, then you are having, then you will be seeing the route. And when you, and the same route is set for the home page also. The route for this and this will be the same. And the route for this is whenever the route having this thing, this path, then you will see a single movie display. So what I can do, either I can simply type the route, type the route, let's suppose like this, uh, I can simply type the route http localhost slash details slash colon, and I will type any of the ID. Then I will get to know about my single movie display, right? If the IMDb is correct, then I will get the detail. But I don't want it to type it manually. So how can I get that thing? I will tell you. See, yeah, I wanted to get to that this route. I wanted to get to this route. So what I will do in the see, first of all, I need to go to the home page. See, in the home page, uh, what I need to do, I will be setting a route for home page. See, I have made a loader function, right? So whenever you are clicking on the search button, then you are, let's suppose you are searching for Marvel, right? Marvel. How to decrease the So whenever you are searching for Marvel, then the search button, the search form, this the search form, yeah, this search form, it is taking the input, and the search form having a get method. It will give you the method. This method will give you the details in the form of request, and you are receiving this request in the home page. See, you are receiving the request in the home page inside the loader function. So the request, the, the request will give you so many things, but we are using the URL and the search term that you will search on the search button. So it will give you that search term and URL, and with that URL, this is a fixed thing, and this will be changed. This is as per, like, if you are the user, then you will be having a different API key, I will be having a different API key, and the search term whatever you have searched on the search form. See, this is our search button. So I search for Marvel. So this Marvel, I will get the this Marvel search form with the help of the request object, and I will getting that URL and the search form. Now, so I am making an object of it. See, uh, I have the movie search end and the response. So this is the URL. This is the API that I have created a API, and I will send a request with the help of this API, the help of Axios, right? So I have used this Axios, and I will get the data on this route, and when I'm getting the data, then I will return it. So the data will contain the data search term, and I will pass it is error also, and then I will send it to the uh, search form. As I told you earlier, that this thing, yeah, this home page will be having two things. This is search form and the movie list, and the movie list will have the movie card. So inside it there are two components of home, that is the first one is search form and movie list, right? And the search form I told you, this search form will get the movie that you have searched and the movie list. Now in the movie list you want it to display all the movie related to the keyword that you have defined. So for that, like if you are having a list of movies, then how can you display? You will need to display it using map, because it will be a array of object, so many objects. That's why we have used map. And for single card only, we have made movie list inside that movie card, right? So I have the movie card button that will get the IMDb, and then inside the movie card, yeah, see, inside the movie card, so whatever, see, this is our movie card, right? And if I'm clicking on the image, I'm getting to the movie display, right? If I'm clicking on it, Captain Marvel, still I'm getting to the movie card. So basically what I have done, I have put it everything inside the link. So these things are clickable, and where they will lead me, they will lead me to the API, lead me to the route http colon slash localhost 3000 slash, and where it will lead me to this, and the IMDb is variable that I will get from movie list, right? So as per whatever the IMDb, let's suppose for Marvel 1, the IMDb 123, so it will displayed as per the movie IMDb, and if M2 it will be 459. So as per that I will be displaying according to the Marvel movie list. So I hope you got it. And then we are having a error page. Let's suppose in the home page, see, yeah, in the home page, let's suppose if the Axios that I this Axios, see, this Axios, if this is not able, if it is failed, then I wanted to display that movie error and movie error or something like not found. For that only I am having a error page, right? So for that, oops, something went wrong, try again later. That for that purpose only I am having a error page, right? Now I hope you got my concept. So this is how, once again I will explain everything. So yeah, initially you are at the root page, right? And you search, let's suppose Marvel, then you clicked on this button, then you will see the display of it. And if you click on this, then the route will be changed. Why it changed? Because I have set it a link thing, and I have set it to details like this, and it will display it accordingly. So I hope you got my concept. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video.